Alright, so the bracket's in. What you gotta do is take a pry bar, if you're doing it by yourself, and press down right there. See where I scratched it? So you put a pry bar there. So that, try to get you guys a better angle. So that you can put that bolt, that nut on. So you press up with the pry bar. At the same time, that 13mm bolt right there. You will try to screw it in by hand first, get a couple threads in, and then finish the rest off with a ratcheting 13mm. So, pretty sweet job. And now you don't have to worry about them rubbing on the drive shaft. Alright, so first thing to do is loosen this bolt here. Loosen the 13mm there. Loosen the 13mm there. Support the exhaust. Loosen the 13mm bolt there. Loosen the, there's a T60, I believe, T60. That's also a T60. You need a long extension with a 13. Long extension with a 1/2 inch. You're gonna have to loosen that run right there with the 1/2 inch, and on the other side, right there. And then that'll lower the drive shaft a little bit for you, so that you can get the old piece out. You don't have to remove this heat shield away, just kind of remove the 10 mils all over and pull it back and like to the side, so that you can just get in there with your hand, like that. And then you're gonna use like a pry bar like this, just to like pry it out of there. That rubber grommet stays in there. It stays in there. Here's the new and old. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to remove this center plate, which holds right here. They're T47s, not 45s, T47, and then T60 for this, just to give you a little bit of wiggle room like that.